Hello, today I'm going to show you how to bed in your car brakes. If you have trouble with rust and something else on your disc blades of your Audi FRS 401. You are going to accelerate to around about 25 miles per hour, of course. These are 40 kilometer per hour. And if you reach this value, you do make a chill, relax, smooth brake maneuver until you reach 10 kilometer per hour. After this, you accelerate a little bit and perform the same. You continue this 4 times. I think this should be enough for the warm up round. Then your brakes will be a little bit warm and ready for the big job, baby. Wow, free brake in a second way to make this free brake happen. We are going to accelerate again to 40 kilometer per hour, that's 25 miles per hour, and then we break it down fast and hard to 0. And this we perform 4 times. This should be enough to remove all the dust and the rust from the disc brakes. At the same time, it will be initiate that our brakes will be better shaped each other. So that's how to bed in our car brakes. After these 4 times, we can continue driving normally to slowly come down with the temperature of our disc brakes again. Yeah? That's the way how we free brake our Audi A4 S41. First step is accelerate to 25 miles, go down to 10 kilometer per hour, then perform this 4 times. Then the second layer will be go to 40 kilometer per hour, 25 miles, and then go down to 0. And this we performing 4 times again, and then should be the free brake process be done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.